The USB versions of the mixers IQ2, RMX40 and XS all feature two USB ports for simultaneous playback and recording without the need for a multi-channel sound card. This tutorial will show you how to use the USB ports on an IQ2. With minor differences, it is the same for RMX40 and XS. Please note that the names of the devices recognized may differ on your computer. The IQ2 Plus has two USB ports. As I said before, you can use them to play back music from the computer and also to record music, even at the same time. This is how it works. Turn on the mixer and connect USB 1 to a free USB port on your PC. Thanks to plug and play, your system will recognize a new audio device. If you want to, you can observe this process in the device manager. The installation is fully automated and does not require any user input at all. Now repeat this step for the second USB port on the mixer. The IQ2 Plus is now fully connected to your PC. If you want to use one of the mixer's channels as your system's standard sound card, you have to specify which one. To select channel A, please right-click on the speaker symbol next to the system clock. Go to Playback device and select USB audio codec. Set it as the standard device. If you want to use channel B, then you should select 2 USB audio codec. Now every sound signal from the computer will be audible on the chosen channel if you set the input select switch to USB. It is the middle setting. If you want to use the IQ2 for DJing, and why wouldn't you? You have to make different settings though. I'll explain it by using Native Instruments Traktor. First, download the universal ASIO driver called ASIO for All from asioforall.com and install it. Now open Traktor and go to File, Audio Setup. Select ASIO for All as the sound card and click on Control Panel. Here you have to activate both USB audio codecs. Now go to Output Routing and select External Mixer Mode, since you want to use the IQ2 as a mixer and not Traktor's software mixer. All that is left to do is to select the output channels for decks A and B. If the sound channels are swapped, which means Traktor's left channel is audible on the right channel of the mixer, you'll have to switch the channel routing in this menu. Please do not swap the USB cords. Devices 1 and 2 are one stereo pair, while 3 and 4 are the other pair. The USB ports of IQ2 are full duplex ports. You can play back and record audio at the same time. However, there are some differences between port 1 and USB port 2. Port 1 will record channel A only, while port 2 will record the master signal. Let's assume that there's a turntable connected to channel A. You now can use the mixer as a phono preamp to digitize your vinyl. Simply connect USB 1 to your PC and select USB audio codec in your waveform editor's preferences. Now you can record your vinyl onto your hard disk. Or you could have an internet radio stream playing on channel A, while at the same time recording it. Actually, you can record anything that is playing on channel A, while listening to something entirely different on channel B. Now, if you want to record a DJ mix, you will have to use the USB 2 connection, since it will record the master output signal. This means that you can record a mix using tracks playing from vinyl, CD and even your PC. You can use the effect section of the IQ2, including the crossfader effect, and you can record the mic signal. By the way, the audio commentary of this tutorial was recorded using the mic input of the IQ2. One last thing, please make sure that the device's volume level is maximized within Windows, otherwise the sound output via USB will be too low.